Hey y'all, Fox here. Welcome back to another Shemagh tutorial. A quick note on formatting before I dive into this tutorial. From here on, my videos on this topic are going to follow a certain format. I'm going to tie each example twice. The first time through is going to be visual only, no verbal explanation. The second time through is going to give you the full explanation, as well as some interesting tidbits and when to utilize a certain wrap. So this is going to provide a few different uses as far as the formatting is concerned. Mostly this will set up a reference at the beginning of each video so that you don't have to watch the whole goddamn thing. So without further ado, let me dive into the Bedouin Wrap. Okay, so this is the Bedouin Wrap in its most complete form. This is the second configuration. So, when is the Bedouin Wrap useful? Say you're out and about, it's a hot day, the sun's beating down, and you want the sun off your head and neck. This will provide full coverage to your neck and head. It's thin enough up here that it's not going to retain too much heat. But if you're going to use this in winter, throw a bandana on underneath and the do-rag style. That will actually help you retain, it'll help with thermal regulation a lot better. So, and as you could surmise, this is a convertible wrap. So you're out and about in the shops, it's still COVID time. You come out of a store, you pinch pull up at the back of the face wrap, drop it, have a smoke, have a drink, have a breath of fresh air, and 2 steps from the Bullseye store. Oh, that sucked. So I'll show the example again after retying it. So yeah, this is very, very useful. Alrighty. Now, let me see if I can do it again in a clean fashion. Because there was a little bit of slop on that one, but there's no precise way of doing this. So you take your default triangle, slap it over your head, bring it a couple inches off center. This is important because a balance has to be achieved with this, with the Bedouin Wrap. The long end has to be long enough to be able to twist it and then pull it around your head and back to one. the short end has to be long enough to cover your face and then get tucked in the back. So, let me do this again. This step right here, in fact, I'm not going to do it. But if you pinch and pull in there and create kind of a box form, it does increase some stability, or it does add some stability, but it's not entirely necessary. So I'm going to do it without and see where it goes. Still want it to kind of lay right against your forehead. Good enough. Okay, so the short end, hold that down with your arm. Don't let it go anywhere. The long end, go ahead and pinch about an inch or so of the material, fold it over, and then give it a twist. And twist however much you want, but always over towards you. Over towards you. This is the most stable form of this twist. Don't twist away, that'll destabilize the whole thing. Once you're satisfied with your twist, pinch up here at the top and bring it across your forehead, round the back, round the side, and back to one, and tuck it in at the base of the twist. Now, when you're tucking in, you'll notice that the twist is starting to form here, and it's round. Go ahead and tuck it under. Give it a spin to straighten everything up, and that's optional. That's if it goes sideways, you can just easily turn this around. And if you don't like tassels or this Forrest Whitaker action going on, don't worry, grab a tassel. Pull it up at an angle and tuck in. So this provides, you bastard. Don't worry, grab a tassel. So this provides full coverage to your head and neck, and if you have a longish beard like I do, it's even better. So this is the first configuration. The second configuration converts as such. Take and pinch here at your eye, and there's, like I said, there's a little slop. This is never going to be 100% perfect. That's kind of what I like about these. So pinch here at the eye, bring this forward, around, to the back, and just tuck it wherever the bastard lands. Then adjust however you like. Don't blind yourself, and move whatever tassels out of the way you want to move out of the way. So there it is, the Bedouin Wrap. Again, this is never going to be 100% perfect. You can fiddle about with the face wrapping part as much as you like. You can straighten everything out. You can kind of pull up here and give yourself a little pinch on the side, like so. That'll, make it a little easier to pinch and grab. Like that. So, yeah. Very useful. Very, very quick and easy. And you can style it however you want. And it's even better with glasses because the sides are so open and somewhat loose that you can easily just put your glasses on. Now they might fog up a little bit, but not nearly as bad as, say, just throwing a white face mask on and calling it a day. So that is the Bedouin Wrap in its full configuration. I like it because it provides full face coverage, and like I said, just boom. I've I've grown to really like this one, especially in COVID time, because I'm not a huge fan of covering my face when I'm out and about shopping. But anyway, that's it for me. Hey, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking around this tutorial, and I will see you guys later. Hit the like, hit the bell, whatever. Leave a comment, stuff like that. See you guys.